At MWC 2016, we are seeing a lot of innovative products along with the flagship smartphones. But the CAT S60 is definitely one of the most intriguing devices this year. The CAT S60 is world's first smartphone offering a thermal imaging camera at the back, and it's also the most rugged phone ever. Yes, instead of remaining in water for just 2 meters of depth, the CAT S60 can be dropped in a water of up to 5 meters of depth for a period of up to an hour, which is pretty good. So let's take a quick look at the device and share our hands-on impressions of the same. So CAT S60 is rugged, as you can see from its design language itself. You get pattern back which looks really rugged, and it has a metallic edges which gives it a premium look. Power button is available towards the left along with a configurable button which can be used for different actions. Both the micro USB port and earphone socket is closed off for allowing water protection. Towards the right you get volume rocker. Up front the device gets a 4.7-inch display which bears a resolution of 1280 into 720 pixels, and so CAT S60 has its audience clear that they want to target professionals who are in mining industry, construction industry, or do-it-yourself enthusiasts, as well as things emergency people like fire brigade. So for these people it has added a good amount of brightness. The device offers 550 nits of brightness, which means it would be easily visible even under direct sunlight. And we really like the display. IPS panel seems to be pretty good in terms of color reproduction as well. One interesting thing about the design language, you will see that there is a button to change the water depth. So if it's open, then only 2 meters of depth is supported, but if you close it off, then you can use the device even under up to 5 meters of depth. You close it again and it offers just 2 meters of depth. But this is a speaker grill, and company claims that the device would offer really loud sound output. So let's check out the thermal imaging camera. So at the back you get a 13 megapixel camera for images, but here is a FLIR camera which is a popular manufacturer offering thermal imaging solutions. And if we go to this app, then you can see that it's showing the surface level temperature of all the people moving around. And interestingly enough, you can also choose an area where you want to focus for getting the surface temperature with this option. So I can choose a rectangular area where it's telling me the temperature of the people. I can also pinpoint, so it's telling me the temperature of all the people around this area or around this pin location. And if I capture this image right now, then this data is stored and I can see it later also. So as you can see, I can see the average temperature of the circular area, rectangular area, and so on. So this is really an interesting application. Although it's targeting only niche audience, it would be quite useful. And the best part is that unlike most thermal imaging cameras which are priced above $20,000, this device is priced at $650. So it's pretty good for consumers as well. Talking about other specifications of the device, you get Qualcomm Snapdragon 617 processor offering 8 cores clocked at 1.5 GHz, and the processor is coupled with 3 GB of RAM, so it should be able to handle most performance needs very easily. Switching between apps is very quick, and so is navigation. In the storage department, the device comes with 32 GB of memory, out of which around 23 GB is available to general user. The device comes with a powerful 3800 mAh battery, and the brand claims that it will easily last more than a day. It also comes with Android's latest version 6.0 Marshmallow, and you get all these stock applications, and there is no bloatware or customization whatsoever, which means that the device would offer a smooth and lag-free software experience as well.
The 13 megapixel camera at the back is supplemented by an LED flash, while at the front it gets a 5 megapixel camera for selfies. Let's take a quick look at the camera UI as well. So camera UI is fairly simple and you can quickly focus on anything and capturing is also fast. So Cat S60 is quite an innovative and interesting phone, and the best part is that along with its features such as ruggedness and thermal imaging camera, it's targeting normal audience as well because of its loaded specifications. The device will be going on sale in June this year, and while we don't really know if it will come to India ever, we seriously believe that it can be used by certain industries for their purpose. This is Nitansh signing off. Thanks for watching.